Sahih Al-Bukhari 3148, narrated Jubair bin Mut'im radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that while he was with Allah's Messenger sallallaho, alaihi, who was accompanied by the people on their way back from Hanan, the Badius started begging the things of Allah's Messenger sallallahu, alaihi, so much so that they forced him to go under a samura tree where his lost outer garments was snatched away. On that, Allah's Messenger sallallahu, alaihi, stood up and said to them, "Return my garment to me. If I had as many camels as these trees, I would have distributed them amongst you, and you will not find me a miser or a liar or a coward." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3149, narrated Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anha, while I was walking with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was wearing a Najrani outer garments with a thick hem, a Bedouin came upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and pulled his garment so violently that I could recognize the impress of the hem of the garments on his shoulder caused by the violence of his pull. Then the Bedouin said, "Order for me something from Allah's fortune which you have." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned to him and smelled and ordered that a gift be given to him. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3150, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, on the day of the battle of Hanan, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam favored some people in the distribution of the booty to the exclusion of others. He gave Al-Aqra bin Habis radiyallahu ta'ala anha 100 camels, and he gave Uyana the same amount, and also gave to some of the eminent Arabs, given them performance in his regard. Then a person came and said, "By Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in this distribution justice has not been observed, nor has Allah's pleasure been aimed at." I said to him, "By Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I will inform the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam of what you have said." I went and informed him, and he said, "If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his apostle did not act justly, who else would act justly? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be merciful to Moses, for he was harmed with more than this, yet he kept patient." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.